and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a simple technique on how to prepare a new garden bed. Here I have a new garden bed for 1 meter square ready to prepare. It's very easy to prepare a nutrient-rich garden bed. Start with these are the garden green waste, broccoli and cauliflower leaves. So dry leaves, all these are from my garden. I'm gonna step it down. Next, this is extra kitchen waste, kitchen green waste. Banana peel, orange, some carrot peel. So spread them around. So the base is ready. Now start adding the soil. Add the garden soil back. Finally, spray some water. This will help you decompose them much faster. 1 meter square garden bed is ready. In about a few weeks, you can start planting your vegetable seedling. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more upcoming gardening videos. As always, happy gardening.